Hello, my beautiful magical beings. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing. Wherever you are in the world, I welcome you all to your soulmate love reading for December 2020. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. Okay, for this reading, this is the general soulmate reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So if whatever is resonating, take according to your situation and leave the rest. Gender is not specific here, Aquarius, and I don't read reversals. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, and thank you so much for supporting my channel, for giving lots of love to the channel. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius soulmate love reading. Please help me, guides, God, spirits, and just vary every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages for Aquarius soulmate reading. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius soulmate reading. The first two card is yin and the never ending story. Okay, what are the messages? What are the messages? Deep knowing. What are the messages? What is the messages for Aquarius soulmate reading? Building blocks. Community. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having TikTok. That means divine timing. There is something, Aquarius, in which you know there is deep knowing and there is building blocks, a strong foundation. The work is in progress. Okay, the community is working with you. There is a strong foundation which is happening, which you have made, but some of you Aquarius are thinking that this is the never ending story. And there is yin is always yin means that you do not have to do anything, you just have to sit back and relax yourself. And let's see what are the cards mean. Let's start the clarification. Okay, let's see what are the clarification of these cards. What is the meaning of yin? Clarify me yin. What is the meaning of yin? Clarify me what is the meaning of yin. Clarify yin. Again the waiting period game. Okay, there is something in which you need to wait, Aquarius. Yin is always being that you do not have to take action right now, you have to wait. The waiting game is here. Okay, you need to wait right now. And again the 2 and 2, again the same number has come for you, the 2 and 2. So you have to wait right now. Okay, you do not have to take any kind of action. The waiting game is going on. Okay, that's why the bottom of the deck I was having TikTok. Okay, the divine timing has not come yet, and it's soon going to come, because the building blocks, the community is working in getting the work is in progress. That's the message I'm getting for you. The work is in progress, Aquarius. Community is working with you. There is a strong foundation which you have done. You have a deep knowing about it that something is going to happen, but sometimes you are getting in this energy of that it is a never ending story. Okay, I'm not going to get what I deserve. Okay, let me see. It's all about the waiting game. What is never ending story? Clarify never ending story. Clarify never ending story. What is never ending story? Five of Cups energy. Don't be in this energy of Five of Cups, okay? Because there are two cups which are waiting for you, Aquarius, okay? You do not have heartache and loss, deception, and why? Okay. Maybe there is someone around you who has given you deception, lies, cheating, manipulation, deceptions, and envy is there. Heartache and loss is there, but do not be in this energy, because can you see there is this girl has having a wings. This girl can fly, okay? This girl is sitting here and waiting and thinking that this is a never ending story, but this girl has to know that this girl can fly by using these wings. She has beautiful wings and she can fly. So don't be in this energy of that always this deception and always this loss happens to you, because the two cups are waiting for you, okay? What is deep knowing? What is deep knowing? Clarify me deep knowing. Wow. Spiritual union. You know in the deep down that you're getting to be united with your divine counterpart, okay? You know this into your deep knowing that you are going to get reconciliation. You will going to get reconciled with your divine counterpart in your deep knowing. You have this knowledge, Aquarius, okay? Beautiful. What is building blocks? Clarify me building blocks. What is building blocks? Too many cards, but okay. Again, bottom of the deck, I'm having foundations and achievements. Foundations and achievements, okay. Truth. Some kind of truth is coming your way. Then there is universe. The world card is here. Then there is destiny. There is some kind of destiny, which is, this is your destiny, Aquarius. This is something which is written in your destiny. Then there is memories of love. Beautiful. Six of Cups energy. Some kind of completion. You're going to complete some kind of completion, okay? Some kind of truth is coming your way. There is something which is written in your destiny. You have already done. See, third chakra has fallen out. You're getting communication skills more active, okay? 0808 was the recording reading time. You're getting your truth to be known. There is some kind of truth which is coming your way. But do not worry, because there is only a completion of cycle. The universe is there. That was written in your destiny, okay? Just remember the memories of love, okay? What is community? Clarify community. Prosperity begins. Clarify. Clarify community. Wow. Beautiful. Community is working to bring you harmony, Aquarius. Can you see these two pictures? How beautiful they are. Harmony is coming for sure for you. The spiritual union is going to take place for you. You just need to rest and rejuvenate yourself, okay? Just rest and rejuvenate yourself, because there is prosperity begins and there is positive movement forward. Beautiful messages are there. Community is working with you, okay? The universe, the guides, the angels, everyone is working with you. The prosperity is going to begin for you. Beautiful for you, Aquarius. I love it. I love it. Okay. Okay. Let me give you one more thing, and I'm going to clarify these cards today in a more way. Let me add some energy, divine energy oracle cards to these cards. Today I can say you that Aquarius, you just need to uh, wait for the divine timing. Okay, in the deep knowledge, you know that this spiritual union is going to take place. Okay, the positive movement is going to happen, this prosperity is beginning. It's just that you are completing some kind of cycle that was written in your destiny. Some kind of truth is coming uh, on the surface. Okay, you can getting to know some kind of truth. So let's see what is the yin mean. Okay, let me see. Let me clarify these cards from the tarot, not from this deck. Okay, let me clarify these cards from the tarot deck. Let me see. What is the meaning of what has happened? What is the meaning of yin? All cards has been okay. Okay. Clarify me yin. Justice, I can see that. Okay. Clarify me yin. What is the meaning of yin? Clarify me yin. Help me out to clarify what is the meaning of yin. What is the waiting period? Clarify me yin. The Nine of Cups and the Fool, Aquarius. Some kind of wish fulfillment, you have to take a leap of faith. Okay, the waiting time period is happening right now, but some kind of wish fulfillment is there in which you have to take, in which you want to take a leap of faith and you want to move in a forward direction. You want to move in a forward direction. That's why there is some kind of thing which is there around you. Beautiful. I just want to confirm you. There is some kind of wish fulfillment, Aquarius, for you, in which you have to take a leap of faith. 1313 was the recording reading time. The Fool card is here. You need to take a leap of faith for which you think that this is my wish fulfillment. Okay. So this is what the yin means. The waiting period is mean. What is never ending story for Aquarius? What is the meaning of never ending story for Aquarius? What is the meaning of never ending story? Clarify me never ending story. What is never ending story? What is the meaning of never ending story? Clarify never ending story. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Two of Pentacles. You are juggling a lot between two situations, trying so hard to bring a balance in a relationship. Okay, Aquarius. King of Cups, Four of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Eight of Cups. You are holding back from someone and you are walking away from someone. Eight of Cups is here and there is Nine of Cups is here. So you are going to you are moving in a forward direction in search of Nine of Cups, wish of fulfillment. Okay, you are moving in a forward direction and here it is Eight of Cups and Nine of Cups is here. You are getting your wish fulfillment, Aquarius. What is deep knowing? What is deep knowing? What is this deep knowing? Ace of Wands. Getting passionate, new beginning. What is deep knowing means? Clarify deep knowing. What is deep knowing means? What is deep knowing means? Maybe some of you are feeling restricted, stuck, okay? But in the deep knowing, you know there is something in which you're getting passionate, new beginning. Ace of Wands, the Chariot and the Ten of Cups. And can you see here it is spiritual union. Ten of Cups is all about happily ever after, happy life, happy family life. So in the deep knowing, you know that you're going to receive your Ten of Cups. You're going to meet your divine counterpart. Okay, in the deep knowing, you know that, and you are receiving it. You are receiving it. 1 minute. Okay, what is building blocks? What is building blocks? Judgment and Queen of Cups. Here I was having King of Cups. You're dealing with your divine counterpart. King of Cups and Queen of Cups. Clarify building blocks. You have to rest and rejuvenate yourself. Again the card has come. Okay. Clarify building blocks. What is building blocks mean? Help me out to clarify the building blocks. This is you. Maybe right now there are some kind of there is some kind of conflicts, fighting, okay, around you. But do not worry, Aquarius. This is you. The Queen of Cups is here. The Judgment is here, okay? You need to rest and rejuvenate yourself from the dramas, from the fightings, from the things which has happened. It's just a karmic cycle which is happening right now with you. Okay, what is community? Clarify community. Beautiful. Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups. Prosperity begins. Ace of Cups. Beautiful cup for you, Aquarius. Emotional fulfillment, a cup full of emotions. So these are the messages for you. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from Divine Energy Oracle. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages? Shine your light, Aquarius. Shine your light. Okay. Beautiful. Then there is claim your art. Be decisive. Be decisive. Okay. Tune out distraction, and you need to be decisive. Is all about whatever you are deciding, be on that, stick on that. Okay, and there is look forward. Look forward is the message for you. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful lovely messages. Let me see what are the messages from Twin Flame Oracle deck. What are the messages for Aquarius? Help me out for giving the messages. What are the messages? What are the messages? What are the messages? Let it go, let it go. Relax and let it go is the message. That's why I'm bottom of the deck. I'm having twin flame soul merge. Okay, beautiful message for you Aquarius. Heroes Gamos, twin flame soul merge. Wow, reconciliation to with your divine counterpart. Expect miracles Aquarius. Nothing is impossible. Okay, right, that's right, nothing is impossible. Okay, expect miracles. Then there is metaphoresis. You are in a process of transformation. You're getting converted into a butterfly. You are into a transition period, transformation period. Okay, twin flame telepathy. Your counterpart is trying to reach you. Okay, they are trying to reach you. Your twin flame telepathy is there. So you can connect with your twin flame through telepathy also, Aquarius. If you don't know that, I can tell you that. Collective energies and lessons, reaching out to outside influences. Okay. Then there is relax and let go. Allow stillness to help you. Okay, allow stillness to help you. Then there is you hold the key. Soul blueprint to twin flame reunion. Beautiful Aquarius. Some of you Aquarius are soon going to reunite with your twin flames. You hold the key. Your soul has a blueprint. Soul blueprint to twin flame reunion. Okay. So your soul is having a key, basically has a blueprint for reunion. 2244 was the recording reading time. Then there is divine timing, co-creating your journey. Yes, divine timing is creating. There is something which is happening. There's again divine timing, and in this deck too, I was having TikTok again. Two divine timing messages are there for you. So the divine timing, maybe some of you Aquarius, I can tell you that the divine timing is coming for you to get reconciled with your twin flame. Okay. Then there is intuitive, highly sensitive. Listen to your system subtitles messages. You are getting very much intuitive than before. Maybe you're getting messages. Listen to that messages. Invite in your twin flame. Your free will method to draw them forth. Okay, you can write it down in the diary that I want to meet my twin flame. Invite them, Aquarius. Invite in your twin flame. Okay, so these are the messages from Twin Flame Oracle deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from your soulmate. What does they want to tell you? What they want to tell you, basically. What they want to tell you, what are they feeling right now? What are the messages from soulmate to my lovely Aquarius? Sorry, I'm not getting concentrated. Maybe there are thoughts right now in my mind which are moving. Okay, let's get back to your reading. What are the messages for Aquarius soulmate? What are they thinking about Aquarius? Let me tell you that. What are they thinking? What are the messages for you from your soulmate. What do your soulmate want to tell you? I'm going to tell you here. Okay. So Aquarius, beautiful messages from your soulmate. They want to tell you so many things. They want to tell you that you accept and respect my limitations. Your soulmate wants to tell you that you accept and respect their limitations, Aquarius. Beautiful message. You and me deal with every situation well. Okay, they want to tell you that. Then they want to tell you that you and I have a great understanding. Beautiful. Then they want to tell you that you make me laugh continuously, constantly. Okay. Beautiful message. You are funny. They want to tell you that you are funny, Aquarius. That's a compliment that I can say that. You pamper me like your baby. They want to tell you that you pamper them like a baby and they love your quality, like this quality, they love you. They want to tell you that you are my soulmate. They want to tell you this. Then they want to tell you that you make me a better person. Okay. You appreciate me. You make me feel alive. You know me better to anyone else. You know me better than anyone else. Okay, these are the messages from your soulmate which they want to tell you. Okay, Aquarius, so these are the messages. These were the reading for you for the soulmate love reading. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world. Till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.